In this video, I'll simplify one given Boolean expression using K-map. Simplify the Boolean function f is equal to a dash b dash c dash plus b dash c d dash plus a dash b c d dash plus a b dash c dash. I will try to simplify this using Boolean function. So this is the given function. Since here we can observe that this Boolean function consists of 4 variables, that is the 4 variables are a, b, c and d. So first thing is we need to bring this in standard SOP form, that is standard sum of product form. In standard sum of product form, each product term consists of all 4 variables. What I mean to say is, here we have only 3 variables, d variable is missing. We need to add d variable for this product term. Here a variable is missing, we need to add a variable. Here all 4 variables are present, so no need to do anything. Here d variable is missing, we need to add d variable. That is called standard SOP. Let me bring this SOP to standard SOP. So I can write it as f is equal to, here variable is d is missing, I will write it as, so here I will use the representation as a bar instead of a dash. So I will write it as a bar, b bar, c bar. So d variable is missing, I can write it as d plus d bar. I will add d as d plus d bar, because we know that d plus d bar is always equal to 1. So it is same as a dash, b dash and c dash. Similarly, here we need to add the variable a. A can be added as a plus a bar. Remaining term is as it is, b bar, c, d bar, plus here I will keep it as it is, that is a bar, b, c, d bar, plus here d variable is missing, that is a, b bar, c bar. D variable can be added as d plus d bar. Let me simplify this. I can write a bar, b bar, c bar, d plus, I can write it as a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar. Similarly, I will simplify this. I will multiply this term with these 3 and this one with these 3. I can write it as a, b bar, c, d bar, plus we have a bar, b bar, c, d bar, plus this term is written as it is, that is a bar, b, c, d bar, plus I can write it as a bar, a, b bar, c bar, d, plus a, b bar, c bar, d bar. Next we need to simplify this further. Now here we can, so after simplification we need to convert this into min terms. To convert this into min terms, I can represent this as, here it is, wherever there is a complement we will take it as 0, and for direct variable we will take it as 1. So here this is nothing but 0, 0, 0, 1. Similarly this is nothing but 0, 0, 0, 0. This is nothing but 1, 0, 1, 0. This is nothing but 0, 0, 1, 0. This is like 0, 1, 1, 0, and this is like 1, 0, 0, 1, and here it is 1, 0, 0, 0. So now seeing this, I can write the min term as summation m. So this is equivalent to 1 in decimal, it is equivalent to 0, this is equivalent to 10, this is equivalent to 2, this is equivalent to 6, and this is equivalent to 9, and this is equivalent to 8. The same thing I will write it in ascending order, that is summation m. We have 0, 1, 2, 6, 8, 9, 10. So now I can simplify using K-map. So this is the K-map. Now let me enter the values. So in these min terms we have to write as 1. In remaining cells we have to write it as 0. So in 0 cell In cell number 0, this is 0. Here we should enter as 1. In 1 and 2, it is 1. This is 1. Here we have 1. 6, 8, 9, that is 6. Here we have 8, 9, and we have 10. In all other cells, we have to write it as 0. Now let me simplify this by grouping the ones. So here we can observe that these two 1 and these two 1 together I make it as a quad. So these two 1 and these two 1 is a quad. Let me write the value for this. It covers these two columns. Here common factor is 0. It means it is C bar. So here it covers this row and this row. Here the common value is 0, which is with respect to B bar, that is B bar. Now here we have these two ones. So these two I can make a pair like this. I can make a pair. So since it covers on this row, this column, this is with respect to C D bar, C D bar, and it is common to these two row. The common value is 0 and 0. That is with respect to A. That is A bar, C D bar. So now here we can observe that we have one more one here. So this one, all corner ones can be taken as a quad. So this is one, this is one, that green color I am marking, this is one, and this is one. Let me write the value for this. Observe the green color grouping. It covers first and last column, which is with 0 is common, that is D bar, and first and last row, this 0 is common, which is B bar. So therefore now I can write the expression as F is equal to, we have B bar C bar plus A bar C D bar plus this is B bar D bar. This is the simplified expression for the given Boolean function. Thank you for watching.